guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. On this video I wanted to show you guys my shopping. So basically I went for a bedding shopping, basically, or bedroom if you like I said before. If you checked my previous full house tour, I said that I was gonna change some things around in my bedroom. I haven't really done anything yet, and I still haven't got the table that I wanted. That one is coming. The reason why I haven't gotten it is because I'm having a baby soon, yes, and this space right here where I'm sitting currently is gonna be for baby's bed, so I cannot put anything there until baby's born, grow out of his bed and move into the room. So it's gonna be a while before I'll put my table there. It's gonna be more like a vanity. I think I should put like a vanity table rather than a side table. So yeah, watch out for that, guys, but it's not gonna be anytime soon. So on this video I wanted to share with you guys, today I went shopping. As you can see on my bag, there's a pile of items that I went shopping for, because I've been trying to, like, I mean, I do, if you know me, you know that I like green. My room has been green for a little bit now, and yeah, when I did it tour, my bed then was green. It's not up to a month. I wash this every week so you know. But yeah, I'm kind of like getting tired of green, and it's summertime, so I thought I can just put in like a nice silver-ish, grayish kind of color to brighten up the room. And you know, and also I'm going to have a baby soon. People are going to come and they're going to see my room and they're going to see what's going on. So I wanted to, you know, make my room look good. So I went shopping. I went into B&M. As you know, this is the bag, the item that I bought. It's a massive bag. I've opened it already. There is so many things inside it. So I went in and I saw this beautiful what is it called again? The mask silver curtain. It's kind of like see-through-ish kind of thing, but I really love it. I thought it's gonna look great because obviously you can see the curtain I have there right now, and I'm kind of like tired of green. I still like green. My car is green. My life will always be green. Well, not necessarily green, but mustardy green, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I found this and it was just beautiful. But something happened about this. When I went into the shop, there was only one of these, and there was this lady that was already holding it. And I was like, when I found it, I was like, oh my god, where did you get that from? And then she was like, she found it somewhere here. Somebody just dropped it. And I was like, oh god, where's the rest of it? I was going crazy because it was just too beautiful. Like, literally, this stuff looks so good. And she was just holding on to it like this. She didn't want to let go. And obviously we looked around, we couldn't find any more. So she spoke to her husband or whoever she was with, and I think he said to drop it or whatever. And then she asked me if I wanted it. I was like, yes, I want it, please. You know, even though it's one pay, you need 2 pays to go on the window. But I just wanted it, and I was hoping that even if I don't find it today, you know, I'll come back next time and look for it. But then as I was holding it, looking around still, I found one of the ladies that works in the shop, and I asked her if she could see any more of these, like where they were, and she said to me they were actually in the front. I could not believe it. So I went to the front and they were like loads, different colors, different designs. I was like, oh my god. So I ended up picking the next one. So I got 2 pairs. Yeah, so that's for my window. Beautiful curtain to go. So as I said earlier, that I needed some pillows on my bed because it's just like 4 pillows. So I needed about 2, 3 more, or even 4 more to make it look, you know, nice and standard. So I went in and I saw this beautiful shiny sequined silver or grey pillow, and it was only for $3.99, and it's like so beautiful. I couldn't resist it, so I had to go for it. And then there was another one, so I thought, right, I could just add a little, because my pillow it's gonna be white. Well, not this one, but I'll change it. So I thought I'd get something a little bit white to go with it again, with like a silver kind of shiny effect. It does look silver when you're looking at it, but then again it does look a bit gold, so I don't even know what it is exactly. But yeah, I mean, it works. I'm pretty sure that it will work with, you know, what I got going on the bed and everything. So I picked this up as well. It was only $5.99 as well, including the pillow inside it. So it's like really like great bargain. So that's that. And then I went ahead, because obviously in summertime we don't really sleep with a duvet because it's really hot. I don't know how people cope to sleep with a duvet in summertime. So we don't usually just sleep with throws. So I saw this massive throw that's like, it's like silver and, well, grey at the back, but like silverish white at the front, and it's just so soft, guys. This is like, oh, I cannot wait to sleep on it. But yeah, I found this for £20 and it's just exactly what I wanted. So yeah, I got this, and that's pretty much all I got for my bed. And I have some brand new bed covers and pillows that I need to obviously use. So I'm gonna change my bedding and I will show you guys the result and how it turned out to look.